Hello and welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want us to look how you can be able to secure your folders or your files in your computer, especially when you're using a shared computer or when you want to give out your computer to someone and you don't want them to access your file or your folder. So the first thing that you can do is to hide that file or that folder. So what you do, you right click that folder and then you come to properties and then you come and highlight under the general, you highlight the hidden. So you just click apply and then you want to apply everything that folder to be hidden. So you just say okay and then you say okay. So you find that your folder will disappear. So the second way that you can do that is by creating a password. But for the password to work, you must have a program that you can use to extract your folder. In the most common program that you can get in the internet free of charge is what we call WinRAR. So that is one program that you should have in your computer if you want to put password, or you even have others called 7zip. So these two, if you have any of these two programs, you can be able to put the password in any folder in your computer. So what you do after installing that program, if it is not in your computer, you come to the computer, you come to your folder, and then you right click, and then you are going to say add to archive. Okay, so when you click there, you add to archive, you want it to be a zip file or lar file. And then the next thing that you are going to do, you're going to go to general, sorry for that, and then you're going to set a password. So a password you can set just 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4, and then you say okay. So what it's going to do is going to create a zipped file, so you can remove this one, you don't need that one. So every time you want to, anyone want to access this file or folder, so even if you extract, for example, even if you can be able to open, for example, this one, now someone will use this method. Even if you open this folder, if you try to open any file in that folder, you are required to enter a password. Even when it comes to extracting, so if you extract the file, say okay, you must enter a password to continue. That is how you can be able to save or to hide or to secure your folder. So there's a folder that we had hidden here. So to be able to see that folder, you can just come here. So you have the desktop, and then you come to view, and then you're going to select hidden item, and then your folder, you'll be able to access that folder. So that is how you do it. And then once it comes like that, you can be able to come back here, and then you can highlight, and then you just say okay, and you have your file back. So that is how you can be able to secure your file, especially when you're using a shared computer or you want to give out your computer to someone to use and you don't want them to access your file. So if the first way is by hiding the file, just go to properties and then you hide. The next one is by compressing or using a password, and this one we have said you must have a program that can be able to extract a zipped file. So I've given examples of the WinRAR and 7zip. So that is the way that you can be able to do that. Thank you for your time. As always, remember to follow, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment, leave a comment, share, like, so that I can be able to produce or can be able to post more and more videos. Thank you for your time.